This is a quilt top I made, and I saw it in a catalog or a magazine just recently, and I don't know who made it, but it's made from just faux wood fabric, and it's cut into squares and just alternated pieces. So I like to call it a fake rail fence, and it's really a very easy quilt. I like the pattern so much I made another one out of more striped material. I thought, what would it look like if I just use a striped fabric? And so this is what I came up with. It's already quilted, and I used this fabric for the backing, and I used it's called Karen's Beaded Curtain number 3.